1. 1970 Ford Galaxie 500, $2 coupe, $4,950, Bruceville, Texas. The 1970 Ford Galaxie 500 is a classic American muscle car that offers a great balance of style and performance. This particular model is a two-door coupe with an 8-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. The car is in good condition, featuring a red paint job and a custom interior, though the door panels need some work. The odometer reads 133,000 miles, and it comes with a clean title. The car runs but requires some mechanical attention, specifically to the bottom end of the engine, to make it a reliable daily driver. The transmission is in good shape, and the car retains its factory AC and power steering. Manual windows add to its vintage charm. This Galaxie 500 is a solid project car for someone looking to restore a piece of American automotive history. Two, 1981 Pontiac Firebird Espirit, $5,000, Inglewood, Florida. This 1981 Pontiac Firebird Espirit is a rare find, especially in its all-original factory stock condition. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, this car has been a reliable and fun-to-drive classic for its owner over the past 20 years. The odometer shows 133,362 miles, and the car has a clean title. While it has some rust issues on the body, the frame remains solid. The car has been sitting for over 2 years, so the gas would need to be drained before attempting to start it. The interior is original, and the car comes with all the original emblems and the owner's manual. This Firebird is a great project for someone looking to restore a piece of Pontiac history, especially since it represents the last year of this body style before the Knight Rider model took over. 1963 Ford Fairlane 289 V8, $5,500, Lakeside, California. The 1963 Ford Fairlane is a classic American car that combines style and performance. This model features a 289 V8 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission, making it a joy to drive. The car has a clean title and is currently registered until May 2025. The odometer reading is not provided, but the car is in good condition, with a straight body and a clean interior. The windows all work, and the car has new carpet, though it lacks a headliner. Recent mechanical updates include a new water pump, master cylinder, and starter solenoid. The exhaust system features Flowmasters, giving the car a great sound. This Fairlane is a solid platform for a resto mod project or can be driven as is. (1979) Mercury Cougar XR7, $7,250. The 1979 Mercury Cougar XR7 is a rare and stylish classic. With only 1,374 units produced in this specific color combination of light jade paint and dark jade interior. This car is a turnkey daily driver, powered by a 351 Windsor engine and equipped with an automatic transmission. The odometer reads 116,000 miles, and the car has a clean title. The interior is near perfect, with only a slight warp in the dash pad due to Texas heat. The vinyl top is in excellent condition, and the car runs and drives like new. The dual exhaust system gives it a great sound, and features like cruise control, factory AM/FM radio, and rear window defroster are all functional. The AC compressor needs to be reinstalled and charged, but the necessary parts are included. This Cougar is a true classic that combines rarity with practicality. 5. 1976 Plymouth Roadrunner, $7950, El Paso, Texas. This 1976 Plymouth Roadrunner is a rare and authentic muscle car, verified by its VIN and cowl tag. It's powered by an original Mopar 3118 V8 engine and features an automatic transmission. The car is in good condition with a white paint job and a clean title. All parts are original, including the center console, stick shifter, gauges, bucket seats, and 15-inch Magnum wheels. The body is solid with good glass and chrome bumpers. The car runs well and is a great find for any Mopar enthusiast. The Roadrunner is a true piece of American muscle car history, and this model is a rare barn find that's ready for restoration or enjoyment as is. Six, 1979 Lincoln Mark V, $5,000, Casa Grande, Arizona. The 1979 Lincoln Mark V is a classic luxury coupe that exudes elegance and style. This model is powered by an 8-cylinder engine and features an automatic transmission. The odometer reads 160,000 miles, and the car has a clean title. The interior has been recently updated, and the car runs great. It's a real head-turner and has even won first place in a classic car show in Pinal County. The Lincoln Mark V is a symbol of 1970s luxury, and this model is a great example of that era's automotive design. Number 7. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette, $8,900, Lebanon, Tennessee. The 1977 Chevrolet Corvette is a classic American sports car that offers both style and performance. This model features a 350 V8 engine and a 350 turbo automatic transmission, both of which are original to the car. The odometer reads 128,000 miles, and the car has a clean title. The exterior is painted in a striking blue, and the car comes with T-tops. Recent updates include a new power steering pump and weather stripping for the doors and T-tops. The car runs well and is ready to be driven anywhere. 8. 1970 Dodge D300 flatbed truck, $9,000, Stanwood, Washington. The 1970 Dodge D300 is a classic one-ton flatbed truck that's been fully rebuilt, making it a reliable workhorse. The odometer reads 57,112 miles, and the truck has a clean title. It's powered by a 318 cubic inch engine and features a 3-speed automatic transmission. The truck has been extensively rebuilt, including the driveline, brakes, suspension, and fuel tank. Nine, 1978 Ford 3/4-ton plow truck, $1,000, Tully, New York. This 1978 Ford 3/4-ton plow truck is a rugged and functional classic, perfect for those in need of a reliable plow vehicle. The truck is powered by a 351 engine and features an automatic transmission. Ten, 1985 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme International Coupe, $9,950, Paso, Texas. The 1985 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme International Coupe is a classic American car that combines style and performance. This model is powered by an 8-cylinder engine and features an automatic transmission. The odometer reads 76,561 miles, and the car has a rebuilt title. March 11, 1969 Ford Station Wagon, $8,499, Doylestown, Pennsylvania. The 1969 Ford Country Sedan Station Wagon is a classic family car that's been transformed into a tribute to the National Lampoon's Vacation movie. This model is powered by a 390 V8 engine and features a C6 automatic transmission. March 1966 Ford Thunderbird, $10,000, Granada Hills, California. The 1966 Ford Thunderbird is a classic American coupe that offers both style and performance. This model is powered by a 390 V8 engine and features an automatic transmission.